Good day, Pinoy Clixers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. Of course, we're going to have Wolverine Superhero Masher Edition. Let's go! Okay, so we have here Marvel Superhero Mashers featuring Wolverine, our favorite superhero character. And as you can see in the box, we have here the man himself. And these mashers allow you to make your mashed up superhero. Okay, so you can see here Spider-Man head, Captain America, Hulk. So make your own DIY superhero. And I got this, by the way, from Sandy, one of the local players here in the Philippines. We traded a lot of mashers, and I've always asked him, do you have the Wolverine one? Okay, so finally he was able to trade it to me. So thank you very much, Sandy, for this. And on the right side, you see the Wolverine. And at the back, you see a quick description here that Wolverine saying, flying's great, but these feathers are making me itchy. Okay. So he has a wing here. I can see that that wing is not included. Okay, which is fine. We only want, anyway, the Wolverine figure. I wonder whose wing is that. So, lend a hero a hand or a leg is the tagline of Superhero Mashers. So, you can mix parts from Wolverine and Marvel's Falcon, and also from Green Goblin and Iron Patriot. Okay, so you can see here, Asbro.com. This is a fairly old product, but this is fine. But before we look into it, as always, we have to look at the Heroclix figure of Wolverine. So let's do that. Okay, so we're looking at the third Wolverine from the X-Men 97 set, the rare 033 Wolverine. Okay, brown suit Wolverine, and you can see him lunging into the air, probably attacking someone who pissed him off. Yes, the Alpha Flight, Weapon X, X-Men, Animal, Brute, and Soldier keywords. I love the Animal edition. I don't think that is in the common or uncommon Wolverine. But he is an animal, especially when he is in the brown suit. Okay, because the yellow suit, he seemed to be tamed and general patronage. But when he becomes brown suit, he becomes R18. Anyway, he has a trait. This one's for you, Morph. Super senses. When Wolverine draws a single D6, if a friendly character that shares a keyword with him is in your KO area, increase the result of that roll by +1. So that works for the X-Men team ability, the Blades Claws, the Regen, and what else? Yeah, that's it. Unless you're able to give him the super senses, of course. And unless you're able to give him any other, like willpower perhaps, so that last one is nothing to overlook. Okay, so that can be very strong, especially for Ares Bomb with Wolverine. Okay. He also has a special movement power. Fancy a trip to the junkyard. Charge Flurry. When Wolverine uses Flurry, he may instead make 3 attacks, as long as one of them targets a character with Colossal or the Brotherhood of Mutants, Robot, or Sentinel keywords. So that means he likes attacking those types of characters. So 3 attack flurry can be devastating, especially because he starts off with the Battle Fury, so no shape change there, and Blade's Claws with the +1 on the roll, so can be high damage output potentially. So Logan appears on significantly on X-Men 97 Tolerance Extinction Part 1 2024. Okay, so very strong Wolverine. I love it. Anything Wolverine is good for us in our collection. So let's go back to the main video. Okay, so now we're back in the main channel, or rather the main part of the video. It's already open. So let's go ahead and look at the Wolverine Superhero Mashers. And you can see it's fairly straightforward. This one I'm going to keep for myself. The other mashers, I let my son play with it. But Wolverine figures are always going to be part of my collection. Probably I let him play with them when he's a bit older, okay, because he usually just has a tendency to smash the figures, okay. And these mashers are a bit sensitive because of these pegs that when they're broken, it's gonna be hard to fix. Okay, and that's Wolverine. Okay, I like this particular Wolverine because this is brown suit Wolverine. Okay, my favorite, of course, is the yellow one from the X-Men 97. But this is also good. My second favorite. And you can see the joints are tight. The head is also good. Okay, so so see what I mean? It's easily pops off. Okay, so, but that's fine. You can easily put it back anyway. And let's see if it stands. And it does. Okay, so that's it. This is a fun piece. I hope I get more X-Men mashers. I know I have Iceman and Juggernaut, but that's really the extent of it. Makes me curious to see which other X-Men mashers are out there. I'll probably give it a look. These figures might come cheaper because of their age, and I don't know if there are new mashers as well. Okay, I imagine it will be a lot of Avengers, but that's why Wolverine is also there. But you'll never know until you Amazon or eBay. So, but what do you guys think? Please share your thoughts in the comments. But for now, snikt. Bye.